Hi, my name's John Freeman, and you're here because you're worried about your English. Maybe it's holding you back from your career, and maybe it's preventing you doing business with the English speaking world. Whatever your problem is, you're in the right place. Eternal English has the solution for you. Now, you might have had lessons before. Maybe you've attended group classes, and the teachers are very good and they're passionate. But often they have a whole room full of people to look after and they're following a syllabus. Well, Eternal English has a great solution to that. And Eternal English is very different. Eternal English is my dream to make things easier and better for you in improving your English. And this isn't English lessons. You won't find English lessons here. This is one-to-one English language coaching or group workshops. Everything we do is targeted and specific to you, for what you need, for what you desire, and to match 100% to your goals. If you're an individual, that means one-to-one coaching, a course specifically and precisely designed around your needs, everything you need. So we'll look at your goals, we'll look at how often we have lessons, how long the lessons will be. Everything is targeted to you individually. And then when we have our sessions, they are 100% flexible and responsive to you. If you have a problem in the day, we can be addressing that in our session the following day. It's that simple. One-to-one English language coaching has been proved to be up to 80% faster progress than group lessons. And with me, you will get empathy and simplicity and intuition. That's the way I work. And the same goes for our group workshops for organizations who care about their non-native speakers and helping them fit in more, to become more confident in their use of English, to understand English, to understand the nuance of English, maybe the humor. Whatever your needs are, Eternal English is equipped to meet those needs. Our online one-to-one English language coaching can be delivered to you in your home at your convenience, saving you hours traveling to a school. And you can attend from anywhere in the world with our up-to-date equipment and my multi-screens. Our lessons, our coaching sessions are incredibly powerful and really, really effective. The workshops, you can attend free workshops online. I run them at least once a month. You'll love them. And if you're a company, I can actually come to you in Britain and anywhere you like. I'll deliver them to your people in person. They're great fun, they're highly educational, and they're targeted to you and your people and what you need. That's Eternal English. And I'm really glad you're here. And what I'd like you to do now is hit the button below and book yourself a free consultation. Come and have a no obligation conversation with me. Tell me what your problems are, and then I'll tell you exactly how we can fix those problems. My name's John Freeman, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you.